Hello there, this is TVSimo. Here comes our second factory tour. And this is a factory that specializes in Brutus keyboard leather cover. And here you can find this is the raw material of leather, and this is the well-done leather cover. So let's see how these products are made. And here you can find a lot of various styles of leathers and cloth for the raw materials. And they are to be processed to make them look more flexible. The next step is to cut the whole leather piece into certain patterns of different models. They can do various models like Samsung, Huawei. And this is a pressing machine to press and glue the half panels into the leather cover to make them more stable. And here's the fixation machine to fix this hard case onto this leather cover. Thank you. See, after the fixation, it's very stable. And here is the other part, the Brutus keyboard. So let's see how they assemble them. And she's testing the keyboard to make sure every key is working. Wow, I got our TVSimo logo, see? So we're going to customize this logo onto this leather cover. So you can customize the logo wherever you want. And here is the packing area to pack all the products into the boxes. So that's all for today. We will continue to update more factory videos. Comment or subscribe for more. Thanks for today. See you. Bye bye.